Okay, ask me, hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thanks. And you?
I am fine, thanks.
Are you a corporator?
Yes, I am a corporator.
What do you do?
I am a corporator.
Do you wake up at 6 o'clock?
Yes, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
When do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth.
Do you take a bath?
Yes, I take a bath.
Do you get ready at 8 o'clock?
Yes, I get ready at 8 o'clock.
When do you get ready?
I get ready at 8 o'clock.
Do you eat idli for the breakfast?
Yes, I eat idli for the breakfast.
What do you eat for the breakfast?
I eat idli for the breakfast.
Do you go to corporation at 10 o'clock?
Yes, I go to corporation at 10 o'clock.
When do you go to corporation?
I go to corporation at 10 o'clock.
Do you attend the meeting with the commissioner?
Yes, I attend the meeting
With the commissioner. With whom do you attend the meeting?
I attend the meeting with the commissioner.
Do you present the problems of your area?
Yes, I present the
Problems of my area. What do you present in the meeting? I present the problems of my area in the meeting. Okay. Do you present the problems of area?
Yes,
I present the problems of area. What do you present in the meeting? I present the problems of my area in the meeting. Okay. Do you come to know about new projects?
Yes,
I come to know about new projects. What do you come to know? I come to know about new projects. Okay. Do you return home at 5 o'clock?
Yes, I return home at 5 o'clock.
Do you meet your supporters in the evening?
Yes, I meet
My supporters in the evening. When do you meet your supporters? I meet my supporters in the evening. Do you go to sleep at 10 o'clock?
Yes,
I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. When do you go to sleep? I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. Alright, bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you again.